Bang Khla, morning tea time. Cup of coffee at our famous coffee shop here. Very beautiful. I'm sitting here having a cup of coffee. Here, my friends, there. And the lady pulls up here with her cart. I've been wanting one of these for quite a while. I've been saying I'm going to buy. And yeah, she pulled up and here they are, the cart things. Now this one, the price wise, this one here is 900 baht, so that's about just under 50 bucks. The ladies tell me the timber and the nature of this construction is that it's outdoor furniture. It won't deteriorate. It is, we would call it flimsy made, but it lasts forever, just the way it is made. And fantastic. So we're going on the patio to drink some cold beer. And so there you go. Thank you very much, Kop Kun Krap. Okay. I put on YouTube. Okay, bye. G'day fellas. So who am I and what is this channel? I just want to share my observation and make comments about how wonderful and beautiful Thailand is. Now across the road here, we've got a bloke selling chopping boards. He's moving around town. We've just been watching him getting his stuff ready to sell. We've got the lady here. Now this just turns up, she pulls that cart from somewhere, ties them all down. The ones I bought here, these two, were underneath. She had to untie them, unpack them all. The good thing is to say I've got a table to sit and have my beer on. The bad thing is to say I spent another 50 bucks for a man that's trying to live on a budget. Anyway, that's another little morning in Bang Khla, Thailand. Weather report, oh I don't know, 30, feels like 35, hot. Air conditioner inside here is great. A lot of things to do today. We've got to go, it's a birthday party for one of our people, so there'll be stuff happening all over. Look at that for a little scooter. Belongs to the owner of the place at the coffee shop. Very good, bloody good. Love it, love it, love it. Look at the colours. No bad smells here. Look at this bloke on his bike here coming along. He's into it. He's a bit of a dude. He's good. Okay, I'm going back for my cup of coffee. I'm going back for my cup of coffee, folks. See you later. Okay. Hope you're all having a good day. I'm having a ball. I'm on a drive to get more than my 100 subscriptions. YouTube does not take you seriously until you get over 1,000 subscriptions. So please subscribe, please comment, tell me what you want to see, tell me what you don't like, tell me what you do like. I want to get better at doing this, you tell me. Okay, this channel's for you, it's not about me, it's about you people. Yes, it does give me a good feeling to do it, but that's for me. You people tell me what you want to see, what you don't want to see. Okay, bye.